Are you looking for a fully funded scholarship? In today's episode, I'm going to share fully funded scholarships that are available for Ghanaian students in 2025. These scholarships will cover your tuition, your living expenses, and travel. Before we proceed, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you find it very helpful.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
This department alone has approximately 50 graduate assistantship positions available. To become eligible, you must first be admitted into a graduate program at the university. You must have a GPA of 3.0 minimum. What are the admissions requirements? You need your official transcript. GRE and GMATs are temporarily not required. You need a resume, and then you must be admissible to the graduate college. The application deadlines are as follows. For spring 2025, you have to apply by January 15, 2025. For summer 2025, you have to apply by June 1st, 2025. And for fall 2025, you have to apply by August 15, 2025. In the fall semester, to apply for a graduate assistantship, please apply between January and March. And then in the spring semester, you have to apply between August to October if you want graduate assistantship. It is always advisable to apply early to secure these scholarships. If you're interested in reading an MBA program, I would always recommend you to check out the Missouri State University. Kindly visit their website for more information. Need more options? Visit scholarshipbible.com.